you're trying to get the car to run on its own. You're answering questions like, how do you get the car to turn on its own? Or how do you get the car to brake by itself? You're really just limited by your resources, your time, and the current capabilities of the car. This is our steering column. This is what allows motion to be transferred from the driver's input all the way to the wheels. We use 3 bearings along the steering column. All 3 of these bearings are used to support the shaft upright and also to transfer the rotational motion. My name is Daniel LaRosa. I'm a 4th year mechanical engineering student at the University of Toronto, and I'm the team principal and mechanical technical director for the University of Toronto Formula Racing team. The team has seen massive growth the past 2 years. It's been unbelievable. It's almost been exponential. We had maybe just over 20 active members on the team. The past 2 years, we've now got just over 70 full active members contributing to the team every day in the shop.
So this here is the rear left corner of our UT24 suspension. So we have here the hub on the outside, and then on the inside we have the upright, which connects to our brakes, our A-arms, and our wheel speed sensors as well. And then at the interface between those parts, we have 2 of the NTN 6915 bearings that you can see here. So in the past, our testing season would have been spent, almost entirely tuning the suspension, tuning the ride handling. But now with the pressure of all of the electrical testing, driverless vehicle, we have to make sure that we have that reliability on point and get all of our testing done quickly, and then give a chance for the electrical and driverless teams to do what they need to do.
2 years ago was our first attempt at trying to get an electric car up and running. It was a very ambitious project. It took the complete redesign of every system on the car. Unfortunately, it didn't work out that year. We pushed really, really hard and we got it to a very good point, but at the end of the day, it wasn't able to run in competition. I think that was definitely, I wouldn't say it was a bad thing. A project of that scale can't be accomplished in a year and while trying to manage all your academics. But I think you learn so much more through your failures than through your successes. So coming off of that year, the goal was pretty clear. We came together as a team and we determined that our one and only goal would have been to get the car running reliably. We just head down, got to the task at hand, and we were able to get a fully running electric car for the first time. Coming into this season, it was really about maintaining that momentum. We realized that we had a strong package. It was reliable enough that we could carry over a lot of stuff into this year, because the main focus for this year would have been to get the car running on its own, so fully autonomous driving.
Efficiency is super important for an electric vehicle, especially. We've got just the energy that we have in our pack, and if that runs out, then we wouldn't be able to finish our endurance race. Luckily, with all the work that our teams put in, and then as well with running on the NTN bearings, we managed to place first in efficiency at the Formula Student Czech Republic event last summer, and I think that's a testament to the product and our engineers and our team as well. One of the main features that we look for is just the dimensions, is being able to size to something like our drive shaft or the other requirements within the car. So within the large catalog that NTN offers, we can find exactly the size that fits, and then as well having something that's reliable, because as they say, to finish first you have to finish.
The team would not be able to function anywhere near to the capacity without our sponsors. It's unimaginable without them. And NTN has been one of our longest standing sponsors. We've had them on the car since '99 on our first season. NTN make this team possible.
I want to see this car win competitions. I've invested so much time in this. I really want to see this project come to fruition all the way through to its final successes. This team teaches you a lot. It's personally taught me so much. It's helped me grow as an engineer, as a person, and I think I owe a lot to the team.